This particular car is 20 years old. This foam is pretty flattened and there's not much left out of it. Now, also a lot of cars, for example, my MTC didn't really have it at all. So I made sure to put the foam rings all the way around to help seal the speaker against the door card. It helps push all of that sound forward. In addition, you want to put the pad, the little square pad that comes from the Sound Rings kit, and put that back behind the speaker to help push all of that sound forward. Okay, so in this case, you just want to take one of these long strips of this corrugated foam ring and then just measure it all the way around. Make sure that it has a good full ring on it. Now, obviously it's going to stick out quite a bit from what's here now, but this foam is so soft and so squishy. I mean, you can squish it all the way down to almost nothing with very little pressure, as you can see. So I don't feel it's going to have any problem whatsoever compressing down to a good space to seal up against the door card. So just measure it, pull the extra tape off, put the ring all the way around, okay? So if you've done this in the same order that I have, where you've done the interior, you've done the doors, so go ahead and finish up and work through all the rest if you haven't. And the one last thing we're going to take a look at here in just a second is we're going to go back and look at the trunk space and see where we can add SoundSkins Pro into the trunk space to help deaden that out around the spare tire. So let's go check that in a second, but make sure to not forget your sound rings. All right, y'all, so here we are looking at the back trunk area. And you know, I've been giving this a lot of thought. I really thought about matting all of this off, but there's enough structure in here that I think that the places where I can get to sheet metal are really not going to make that much difference. I also think that if I have matting under where the tire is going to sit here, especially on this frame, here in this X5, it's going to actually tear the matting up, which isn't going to do any good.